Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity are your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. The link is in the bio. I do have a special treat there for you. Your word of the day is the path to light. You have a new idea, a new intuition, a new intelligence, a new way of living, maybe a new gift. I want you to water that gift. Blow it up to the highest amount, to the highest potential, because that is going to be your way to freedom. It's going to be your way to financial abundance, and it's going to be your way to happiness, and you deserve it because you come this far to discover this new path, not to stop, but to go down this path and make sure that this becomes something that comes from the 4D to 3D. I make a conscious choice to move toward the light one step at a time. I transform my weaknesses into strengths by mastering my thoughts and understand that I am in control. I overcome obstacles with positivity and acceptance. I develop my gifts, extend my light to every being unconditionally. So understand that negative energy that brings trials, tribulations, and lessons, and they teach us why we need to let go of these emotions. Positive energy that brings manifestations, blessings, and the world of freedom that we're looking for. You have the choice. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.